Hello everyone, this is Van Pivot. Good afternoon. It is gonna be 4 p.m. probably. Yeah, I woke up at 2 something and I was trying to figure out what to wear for the Halloween thing, but then like I don't know, I just came to this. I'm wearing blue lipstick because it's the from, where is it from? NYX, yeah, and I bought this 4-color lipstick and I never had a chance to wear them, so I'm wearing one of them, and yeah, I'm like supposed to be the blue sailor with blue skirt, but I'm wearing orange, something color coordinated a little bit, like balance, yeah. And my boyfriend overnight he left the door open, this door, his door, driver's door open, and just left it like that. I mean, one thing I know for sure is probably a spider came in. My boyfriend needs to snap out. Snap out, boyfriend. We made it to Ikea and the parking inside the parking is full. So we had to find a parking outside. That's funny because me and my boyfriend were like, "Oh, it's raining. We didn't have a hoodie." And I was like, "Oh, it's okay. We're gonna park inside anyway." Totally jinxed it. I didn't even know you can park outside. Well, actually there is, but I didn't know there was another whole side for parking. So this is pretty cool.
We parked on.
But yeah, damn, there's a lot of parking here in IKEA. I had no idea. That means there's a long walk. Too much walk. Actually, this is okay. I'll just deal with it. Deal with it. Look at people struggling. So many cars trying to find parking. It's crazy. I'm trying to find the entrance. I don't even know where the entrance is. How far?
Not an entrance.
Oh my god.
We gotta go this way.
Wait, what about those people that's going over there?
I don't know.
No? But if we go here, then it looks like a really far off place.
Well, where you park on the other side.
Oh wait, is there a worker? No. Finally made it to the IKEA. It was like we had to go around the building, and finally we're here. Yeah, so many people today. Although it's not crowded, so that's good. I'm not sure. Maybe this part area is not crowded, but we're gonna get this. We've always wanted to get this. Maybe you want to get plastic. Oh. No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay, really. This is $7.99. Nice. Yeah. I'm right behind you. This is cool, you guys. It's a shoe where you put your shoes. It's nice, but it's $100. Damn. It's nice. Is it comfortable, Oppa?
No, it's just a chair.
It's a chair. Okay, it's not. That means it's not comfortable.
No, it's not like it doesn't hug you. Like those are. It's just kind of hard.
I see.
But way more comfortable than a restaurant chair for sure.
Yeah. Looks very comfortable. What? What's the for though? Like, do you hide in here? $69. Maybe for like. Why would they hide this though? Why? Looks very uncomfortable in there.
Yeah, it's just plastic.
Near the kids section.
Oh, cooking and eating. We gotta go to the cooking and eating section.
I want to get this one for eating in the bed. This bed looks nice. I like the blanket. It's very soft and very thin. We're thinking of getting this one. I like the color. Although I prefer this more because there's a, I don't know. Because I guess it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there, you could put something here. Ooh, you could put outlet. And it looks more slimmer, and this is like more thicker. But my boyfriend said this would be a good changing station for baby too. I don't know.
Like I said, you like something.
And this, I guess, because there's so many space. Do you think this would be a perfect for a baby? Oh, it's a cute nightlight. Looks like it's $10. This is the one that our friend Lee and Alan got for us. I didn't know that they got it from Ikea. That's cool. 빌어갈게요. This is nice. The blue look of the table, blue and white. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Totally my style. $79. Oh, this kitchen gets bigger. We made it to the food court. Boyfriend is super hungry. I'm getting there. I always wanted to digest a little bit from the red bean bread I ate. So sugary. I'm definitely gonna get the rose hip. Rose hip drink. Yeah, it should be here. If not, I'm doomed. What? No! Why don't they have it? What is this? Lincoln? Why don't they have it anymore? What's the cider apple? Cider apple? Yeah, maybe I'll try this.
Oh, I got it too. You like it?
Oh, I guess we'll share. And I'll try this, I guess. I'm not sure what this tastes like, but I'll try it. Ooh. This is a cream cake with marzipan. Chocolate overload cake. Yum. We're gonna get the Swedish meatball. It seems like the Swedish meatball comes with like potatoes and cream sauce. I just want the Swedish meatball. I don't want the other stuff. I'm gonna get meatballs.
I don't have the pasta with also 5 extra.
I guess the salad does not look fresh at all. Looks like wet salad. And to get the soup, you have to get it from here.
What is this soup?
It says, what the hell?
Take a look at that.
Oh, there's chicken tortilla. Ew. How they did this is so messy.
You're fine, just leave it right there. Yeah, it's good. So do you want me to rate both tastes?
Yeah.
The food we ate was so good. I can't believe I actually finished my own plate. We had like 15 meatballs and I finished it. Now we're just walking around, looking at more stuff to sort of exercise. Yeah. Ooh, there's like cheap stuff here that you can get. I don't know. Didn't look that great. Apparently you can buy Swedish meatballs here. I don't know where the frozen section is. Ooh, chocolate. Purple napkin. Just the way I like it. Oh. You're gonna put your wallet back anyways. Dude, we spent $208 because of the drawer. The drawer was like $99, while the chair was $79. My boyfriend wanted a computer chair for like 3 years now, so it's good that we got it finally. Let's just get it over it.
Wine here too.
The worst part about pregnancy at third trimester is when you're trying to get into the car seat, especially when it's like not SUV but the small cars. It's really hard to get in. Imagine you getting in a car, a really hot car in LA, and it's so hot inside that it's painful to sit down. That's what it is to me. Oh, I wonder where my boyfriend has to put the cart. I hope it's easy. Finally found our parking. It was a long walk, only for me. I mean, I didn't mind. I know, but it's just it was a long walk for me. Because my upper back, lower back, neck is killing. Oh, whoa, this is weird. Because of the light over there, and I look like I'm a tiger. Home sweet home, you guys. Lower back is killing me. I can't wait to sit down on my lovely bed. What time is it now? It's like 7:30 p.m. Okay. Although we ate dinner for the Ikea thing, so should be good. My Google Sheets. I don't know what happened to it. Everything wiped out or something. I don't know. Can't get to. I don't know why I can't get access to my other account. It says, oh, it's already existed. And I'm like, yeah, I'm trying to log in, but it won't even let me. So I don't know how to fix that. So I'm so stressed. I'm really pissed off. My hormones or whatever is enraging at the moment. So I'm just gonna rest and do my thing. My boyfriend finally assembled for the chair that we got from Ikea, and it's nice. And it took him like, what, less than 30 minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes? That's pretty good. Goodbye, old chair. This chair has like ripped all over. I don't know what my boyfriend did. He's like, oh yeah, I'm kidding.
No, I farted.
Dee dee. So messy. My goodness gracious. I'm in the process of folding the laundry. Earlier I was eating my leftover kimchi fried rice with Kim. It was good. I am so hungry. I was asking my boyfriend, can you cut me some persimmon, please? Just so bad. But I'm like, it just not lazy. It's just I'm in so much body ache, you know. So it's like I want to do stuff, but it's painful. So that's why I'm sitting here and doing laundry. And yeah. So I'm gonna end my vlog. It's 11:26 p.m. Thank you for watching my vlog. Vlog.